Aloha. It's a little message for you guys. Another message about keep your head up. If you're going through darkness, keep going. If you're going through hell, get out of there before you notice. But keep going. It's going to get easier. I'm living proof. Look through my videos, my journey. Let go and let God, baby. If you're alone, remember you're loved. Quit searching for fulfillment outside yourself. Everything's inside of you. The whole world is inside you. I love you all. May you all have a blessed day. My view. Under this hole, as you can see, I guess this is my Bodhi tree. Hilo Bay. January 17th, quickly approaching, baby. This soul has been through hell and back, and it's time to start creating again. I'm out.